Oh yeah, it feels great.
On December 11th, 2010, at the opening of the 25th Annual Kwanzaa and Holiday Gift Show, the African American Business Exchange and the East Bay Dragons will announce the launch of their 2011 Support Our Businesses campaign. These two Oakland-based African American organizations have come together to take direct action on our local economy. Our campaign is designed to drive African American consumer dollars to African American owned businesses in Oakland throughout the year. In these extremely challenging economic times, each of us must think carefully about every dollar we spend and what each dollar spent produces for our community. Our campaign recognizes the connections and relationships between the strength of African American owned businesses in Oakland, our local economy, job opportunities, and the overall quality of life in the African American community of Oakland. There will be periodic updates in the local media, including the Oakland Post and Good News in Oakland. And that is the good news in Oakland.
Bay Area, get ready to shop until you drop at the 25th Annual Holiday Gift Show Saturday and Sunday, December 11th and 12th at the Oakland Marriott Convention Center, presented by Comerica Bank. Ladies, you'll find quality clothing, jewelry, cosmetics, and products for your home and family for this holiday season. The Holiday Gift Show is the only place where you'll find up to 100 exhibitors featuring unique handmade arts and crafts, collectibles, and much more for your holiday shopping. For more info, call 510-534-1590 or go to aabexchange.com. See you there.
Good news in Oakland! Oh yeah, it feels great.